will be your host along with Marisha Wallace. There will be performances from Gabrielle Blue, Shaznay, Paul Cavan. I think you should do it before they run out. Coming up on your Magic Work Day, Eurythmics, and a massive song from last year that we still love so much.
I've got it on dashcam, love, if you want it.
Wait, come on, you idiot!
Didn't even look, did you? Didn't even look.
Pots at the glass. He was using a knife to try and get in. These brave men, basically.
The calendar with the revised. Pretty sure it says no right turn. Okay.
Okay.
A few weeks later, at around 6:30 p.m. on Thursday, June 14th, Devin and Michelle were
Into the grass. Right, I guess we're here for a bit.
Oh.
Wow, yeah. Oh.
Ooh.
That's not funky.
That's not funky.
It's not supposed to be there. It's a one way, but you're a moron person on a bike with no IQ, so that tallies up nicely.
She's going back without a helmet? Go on. A not very nice person because they hit and kick and push.
Really?
Jesus Christ.
Students coming. Students have arrived. That's it, just run out in front of a bus, mate. Like, save me! Oh!
Your average speed is now 27 miles per hour.
I'm going to know in the next couple of hours what his white cell count is.
Oh, poor pudding.
Yeah. What they say, wait, you don't need to worry, sir. We do extensive tests. And you can't think, oh, crikey, it's having a lot.
Far off.
Yeah, they crashed.
It's red all the time as well. We're not indicating today, Pooba. No.
Faulty indicators?
You know it was someone.
That was a Jaguar E-Type, that was. That was a Jaguar E-Type, that was.
Here, well, the Toyota Celica was common enough. The convertible, very much less so. But here we have a Toyota Celica convertible. And here we have a Jaguar XJS V12 convertible. And a 1965 Singer.
Yeah. How old are you? That's what it's for. Alright. What's your review?
It's nice, amazing, fantastic.
You gotta go buy one.
Yeah.
I'm glad.